Welcome. In today's tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to create a report for your account information on WhatsApp Web using the new update. This process is quick, straightforward, and helps you download a detailed report about your account, activity, and settings. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by visiting the official WhatsApp web page and linking your phone using the QR code if you haven't done that before. Once your account is connected, you're ready to go. Now, look at the left side menu of your WhatsApp web interface. You'll see a small gear icon near the bottom corner. That's your settings button. Click on it to open the settings panel. Inside the settings, you'll find several options like notifications, privacy, and more. From here, select account. This is where all your account related settings are located. Once you enter the account section, choose request account info. This option allows you to generate a detailed report that includes information related to your profile, settings, and usage. Next, click on Request Report. After that, WhatsApp will start preparing your account report. Keep in mind that the process can take up to 3 days to complete, but it's usually faster. When the report is ready, you'll see a notification in WhatsApp Web and on your phone letting you know it's available for download. Remember, this report is for viewing only and can't be exported or sent to anyone else directly through WhatsApp. It's designed to give you personal insight into the data WhatsApp stores about your account. If you ever need to delete the report, you can do it right from the same section with just one click. And that's it. You've successfully requested your account information report through WhatsApp Web on your PC. It's a simple but powerful way to understand more about your digital presence. If this guide helped you, don't forget to share it with someone who might find it useful.